All right, guys, what's going on? Charles Preston here. So I'm in another city. I'm in Jerash. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I just got here, and I'm at the gate. So if you've been following my journey of Jordan, you would have seen the other city. So I did go to, oh man, I'm about to butcher it, Ajalon, I think. Pretty much it's the Ajalun, I think Ajalun. And it's a castle. I didn't get a chance to vlog that because it was a short one. So if you want to see that, make sure you go to my Instagram and follow me on there. So you can see Jerash is right there. Kind of losing daylight. It's one of the things that sucks when you come in the winter time. So as you can see, that's the gate, and I think I have to walk that way. So I got about an hour and a half, 2 hours, maybe left the daylight. All right, so let's get to walking and show you some of the sights of Jerash. All right, guys, so walking in the, I guess like the Colosseum. You can see it kind of behind me.
You will see here the microphone in the stone. And this is all that is it like the city of Jerash, where he needs the local people right now.
Oh, okay.
And now the government is working to excavation what do you have under this building. Excavation 30%, right now we have 70% under the ground. And you see this one here? Look at this. This is something you will see, look, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here is it like the echo. That's here is it like the Roman time, he doesn't have microphone same now. And he make the stone, it's empty under the ground. Where I stand up, it's empty or hollow the stone. When you stand here and you say something, you're talking in microphone. That's how is it the Romans people who use the microphone in the Roman time. Come to stand here, my brother. Right. Say something.
Can y'all hear me out there?
Yeah, also in the video you will hear what you are using.
Yeah. Y'all hear that? The echo, how it's amplifying against the walls?
That's because in the Roman time, this theater around all the hippodrome. But because the earthquake had damaged everything about this city. The strong earthquake, 749, had damaged all this city.
Yeah, because as soon as you move from this spot, it doesn't echo anymore.
Yeah, look, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3,
test,
nothing.
Test. Oh my God.
Nothing. Look at where you stand before.
Test. Oh, echo.
That's how is it the Romans people, it's very smart.
No echo. That's pretty smart. Wow, that's cool. All right, so we're gonna keep walking. Damn, these flies. That's crazy. All right. So, got rid of the tour guide or whatever. Just walk up to me. I saw, like, unwarranted soliciting. Oh, that's why he had to stop. So he's not a licensed tour guide. But either way, so we go down to the tour guide, and then it's the entrance. All right. So let's see what we can see. I'm kind of excited. As you can see, the sun is. Let me come on this side. The sun is going down. So make sure when y'all get here, I'm kind of in a pinch when it comes to these pictures. So I try to, stimulate the economy with the locals, but not let anybody take advantage of me. But yeah, so hopefully when you guys come, you guys got somebody to take pictures for you. All right, so it says tour guides, visitor center. I guess I go down. Okay, all right, well, it says visitor center. I'm gonna go down there. All right, guys, so after using my Jordan pass, like I said, get you one. Definitely makes things a lot smoother. Anyway, so I'm at the south gate and the city wall. That's directly behind me. So it says the south gate is a monumental arch that stands at the southern entrance to the city. All right, so let me show you a little panorama view. And then we're gonna go through the archways and keep walking. All right, guys, so right behind me is the oil press. So it says about 220 AD, the rocky floor of the southernmost shop of the West Souk was dug into the house and oil mill. The ancient oil press has been well preserved and can still be seen here today. So like I said, make sure you check out my Instagram because I'm gonna have a bunch of those pictures. And then behind me is the Temple of Zeus. So I'm gonna catch it on the other side. Let's just walk. Oh yeah, he told me about the flower.
Yeah, flower. Yeah.
Yeah, he told me, yeah. Boy. So that's the Temple of Zeus. So says the West Souk and military barracks. So that's what that is. All right, guys, so correction. Directly behind me, that's the Temple of Zeus. And where I'm going now is the Temple of Artemis. So I can't trust them kids. Them unlicensed tour guides. But anyway, so coming to this open area, as you can see with the columns. All right, we're gonna keep pushing. Gotta beat the sun. Well, I know there was a lot of hurt ankles back in the day. Man, go this side. Man, this is dope. And like I said, I'm gonna have some pop-ups through the video. I probably already had pop-ups by now. So that's how your boy get down. Try to educate you guys, entertain you at the same time. Give you some of this eye candy. I hope he ain't following me. Cause I'm like, bruh, I ain't got no money. I got no money. All right, let me turn this around. All right, guys, so I'm standing in the marketplace right here with all these columns. I'm sorry, you talking to me? You said what, sir?
Listen, if you want to continue with you, I will give you amazing price.
No, like I said, I don't want to use my card and I don't have cash on me. So thank you, though. Thank you for the offer.
You're welcome, because look, no, not too much tourist, and I like to make my day, you know?
Yeah.
I will give you amazing price. Not saying the official price outside. I will give you.
All right, guys. So like I said, I'm standing in the middle. You can kind of see the infrastructure right here. This is like where they used to bring in the water. And you can see the little trail right there leading back or leading into. That's where they used to bring water in. And then literally, which you're not going to be able to see, but through this little passage is the Temple of Zeus. And then kind of past it, you can't see it from right here, but it's a Temple of Artemis. So like I said, we're still walking. So that path that I got here with, I think that was Cordoba, something like that. I took a picture of it. I'll make sure I have it pop up. But essentially, that's the main street that leads you in and out of this area. All right, so let's keep walking. All right, so still walking down that path. As you can see, losing sunlight quickly, trying to get to these points of interest for you guys. So I'll have some more sun once I get to the top of this little hill. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna try to move kind of quickly through this, but hopefully when you come, you have more time. I kind of lost some time due to lunch and people just bothering me. So that's the North Gate. It's in front of me, North Theater, and the Temple of Artemis is that way. So those two are that way. That's the North Gate. All right, so I'm gonna make my way up this hill. All right, so coming up the hill directly behind me is the North Theater. So that's what you just saw. And Temple of Artemis. And actually, even though I'm running out of sunlight, it's still dope that, you know, the way the sunset is. I'm gonna try to turn around a little bit for you. All right, guys, so I just got to the last part. The Temple of Zeus is directly behind me. Make sure you watch some of the behind the scenes on my Instagram. On the other side of this is the actual the South Temple, South Theater, my bad. But my gimbal's literally about to die. It's on its last leg, so I wanted to catch this one 'cause I thought this would be a little bit more important since I already showed you one of the amphitheaters. All right, guys, so this is gonna be Preston signing out from, well, I don't want to butcher the name, so I've been butchering it all day. But you know where I'm at in Jordan. So I'll see you guys in the next country or state, all right? Peace.